I thought I was dead for sure.
Hi, boys. We got a real problem. Nice Mr. FUSSAR don't want us going nowhere. He knows just who we are. If he can keep us here for a few more days, well...
And what about the captain of the ship here?
They got him trussed up like a hog. Guards all over the place. Got us surrounded with gun positions, so when we try to sail out, he's gonna blow holes in us.
This fella is really beginning to try my patience.
He ain't even had you tortured yet.
I like the man's style. It's thorough, nasty, and vindictive. However, in this instance, I don't see we got any alternative, but we go and free our friendly captain and destroy the artillery.
For once, I agree with you.
Hair cool?
Oh, I'll fight Alberto FUSSAR every day I can.
All right. Bill, you're gonna guard Javier on the ship here. Micah, Arthur, let's get to work. Hair cool? We follow you.
Anale, this way.
Quick! Let's get up around the back of that artillery post. There's 2 guards. Arthur, come on. Get your knife ready. You take out the first guy, and I'll get the other one, okay? Okay, we're clear. Let's plant the explosives. You got it secured properly, cowpoke?
I think so.
Knowing you, I have my doubts.
Shut up, Micah.
Come on, run!
Who got above us? Come on! There's another set of cannons up ahead! Push forward! Guard up in the tower! Or push up on them! Head up the stairs and get the rest of them. Wait here for a second for the others to catch up.
I'll get the dynamite rigged on these cannons. There'll be more coming.
We'll hold them off. Up here, Arthur. We'll have a better view.
Look! More FUSSAR's men coming!
Okay, come on. Let's pick them off before they get too close. How are you getting on with those cannons, Micah?
Nearly there. Okay, boys, we are live. Stand back. The captain's being held in the workers' compound.
go!
That blue building! Straight ahead!
Okay. Let's deal with these bastards first! All right, you get the captain out of that cabin. We'll cover things out here.
Oh, I got you now, you bastard.
We are all bastards, my friend. But only one of us is some would-be emperor's whore.
We know who you are.
And nobody knows who you are. Not even your goddamn father.
You maggots are going to die.
Eventually, I'm sure we will. But not today, and not because of you.
The U.S. Navy is on the way.
I am sure they are. Which is why you're going to let us leave.
Here!
You saved my life. Thank you, Captain.
I suppose you men are my cargo.
Dutch Vanderlyn, I am sorry you got hurt.
Captain Sam.
Let's go. Gentlemen. Back to the ship. Come on. What happened to FUSSAR? He escaped?
I didn't see him.
Damn it!
They have sent reinforcements. Keep going! Another one! Shoot him!
Keep going! Just get to that boat!
Look out on the left, there's one on the rock! Come on, let's finish this corner! Vamos por él! Shit, come on!
¡Llénenle plomo al bastardo!
Let's go!
¡Vea, San Pedro en poco tiempo!
Let's move! Push up! Hey! FUSSAR is up there, I think.
In the tower?
Yes! Yes, that's him.
Goddamn idiot. Come on!
He's shooting! We have to take him down! Out there! There's another cannon up ahead on our left. Can you get to that?
I'll try!
You need to get that cannon out there!
Got it for you, Javier. Captain, can you handle the ship?
I'll be fine. Come on. We'll get going with the tide before I get any more surprise interviews with local officials.
Are you gonna be okay?
We'll be like you. We'll disappear probably. Back to Haiti. Believe me, we'll be long gone by morning.
Good. Thank you. We survived.
Just about.
What now? What now? What do you mean, what now?
I mean, we're headed back to Lemoyne again, and we're all wanted men.
We slip ashore one by one, find out what's what.
We don't cut and run now? Head back to Blackwater.
No,
Why not?
because the last thing they'll be thinking is for us to turn up.
We've been on the run for a while now, and it feels like our luck has turned. You know, and it ain't turning back. We had a good run of it, I guess.
We ain't even played our hand yet. We just need to put some more money in our pockets. Make our escape. Broke, alone, they're gonna pick us off one by one, and you know it.
Maybe.
Not maybe. We need to split up. Keep a low profile. Try to track down the rest. But carefully. See if they send any mail. Arthur, you check Shady Bell. We'll find each other eventually. We always do.
And then what?
Then we meet up. We gather the family, we get some money, and get the hell out of there. That's the plan.
We all acting crazy. And that's not what I thought we were gonna be doing
We
here.
have been in a bad way. Listen. I will kill for my family. Any of you want to judge me for that? That's fine. But that is who I am. Anyone disagree? Anyone?